Oh my god, where do we begin? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome Christmas and holiday season. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my Christmas gift guide for her. So this is great for any woman of any age, probably starting from like middle school and on up. I have some beauty products, some lifestyle, some books, really everything. I hope you guys will like this video and subscribe, and we have a lot to talk about, so let's dive right in. One of the best things I think you can get someone is nice jewelry. I love the site Bauble Bar, B-A-U-B-L-E bar, and they just have some really different and gorgeous jewelry. They have like statement necklaces like this, and they also have some fine jewelry, which I don't have any or else I would show you guys, but I always get tons of compliments when I wear these. And they're really great if, you know, the girl in your life is a professional and they want to kind of dress up some sweaters or blouses in the winter. That's pretty much how I wear mine. They're pretty affordable. You can get some of the sale pieces for like $20 or $30, and then some of the newer and more high-end pieces maybe like $60 to $80. So it's a nice mix of jewelry. They even have clip-on earrings if you don't have pierced ears like me. I think that any woman, even if they really aren't into makeup, would appreciate nice hair care. I actually bought a version of this for my mom last year. And that's the Way shampoo and hair oil. She became obsessed, and now she doesn't use any other shampoo. This was designed by Jen Atkin, a celebrity hairstylist, and the quality is just really, really good. You can get this at Sephora or way.com, and I'd really recommend this for any hair type. My hair is super oily, and the hair oil works fine on me. You can also get like hairspray and conditioner and just everything. I think something super nice to do is buy someone something you know they wouldn't buy themselves, but what they really like. And I think bath bombs are great to do this. Lush always has really cute holiday collections. I wasn't able to run out and get any, so I just have a few lying around, and this one's from Bath & Body Works. So those ones are actually pretty good. Same with the ones from Victoria's Secret. It's nice just to get like a little, you know, one of those like little boxes, or you can get like 4 for a certain deal at Lush. I think that's a great stocking stuffer or to give like your best friends. I think that gift cards are always appreciated. I don't think they're not personal. I personally love when I receive a gift card because I can go out and buy exactly what I want. I think some of the top gift cards for women are Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, Chipotle, Target, Macy's, Nordstrom, Amazon. I think any of those, you really can't go wrong. Something really nice to get is a diffuser. They have a great selection on Amazon. That's personally where I got this one. It's great quality. I've had it for over 2 years. I've had it for over 2 years now. I'm getting a little too excited here. And you also definitely should get some essential oils with that, because if they don't have essential oils, then they're not going to be able to use their diffuser. I'd recommend looking on Amazon. I think Macy's, Bed Bath & Beyond have ones that are maybe a little bit nicer, but I think those work great. A lot of women, not all, really like Disney, so I think it's a cute idea to order something from like Disney Springs online, or if you have a Disney store at your mall, to go there. Just like a little cute mug or like a notepad or a planner, something like that. I feel like a lot of women would appreciate. I know I would appreciate someone getting a trip to Disney World. For the reader in your life, not everyone is a reader, so don't get someone that you know doesn't like reading a book. That would be very, very bad. But I have a couple good recommendations. I've recommended this one before, but it's just so good that I have to recommend it again. And that's the Lux series. It's kind of like a history mystery meets romance. There's a lot of drama, a lot of scandal. There's different perspectives, and it's kind of like Gossip Girl-esque, but in the past. They have a whole series. So, you know, you can pick up 1 or 2 books for someone. And then also Eleanor and Park. If you haven't read this, you need to. It's beautiful, it's heartbreaking, it's a coming of age story, love story, and I just love the way that Rainbow Rowell writes. It's just really beautiful, and she's a great writer, so definitely recommend that one. A gift that's really safe, that I think that literally any woman would like. So if you've just started dating a girl, or you know, you're a little brother and you found this video for some reason on YouTube, this is just a very appreciated gift. Just a Bath and Body Works candle. Fresh balsam is really nice if you like the smell of pine trees. This one is cinnamon sugar donut. Just smells like a bakery. And just a fuzzy blanket. So girls cannot have enough candles and blankets, am I right? My dad would say no. A great alternative to buying clothes would be buying a nice handbag. Now obviously, if you're the boyfriend, you know, you might want to get like a classy Kate Spade or Michael Kors purse for your girl, but you know, if you're buying something for your daughter or your friend or whatever, I think that any bag could do. Like TJ Maxx always has really cute bags that are very affordable. And I think handbags are better to buy than clothes for people, because you just don't know people's size unless you absolutely know what size someone is and how they like their clothes to fit or what they really like to wear. I wouldn't buy clothes for them. Unfortunately, like every single time someone has ever gifted me clothes, it's been in the wrong size. Like, I'm so flattered you think I'm an extra small and a petite, but I'm not, and I'm never gonna wear those clothes. It's like, it's so awkward because you don't know, like, do I return it? And what if they didn't give me the receipt? So I think it's best just to skip clothes unless you're really close to that person and you know exactly their size and what they like, and opt for either a nice, more high-end handbag or just like something from TJ Maxx or Penny's. Lastly, I think this is a really fun gift idea, and that is tickets to Painting with a Twist. Painting with a Twist is so fun. Even if you aren't crafty, it's just nice to go there with your girlfriends or your guy and have a glass of wine and paint. I did this one about 2 years ago, but I always go a couple times a year, and it's super fun. So it's nice to get someone like a gift card to there. That wraps up my holiday gift guide for women for 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Tell me what's on your Christmas list this year. Follow me on my socials, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
The happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell